How to fix the computer stuck on the Windows login screen loading? Follow me. First, disconnect all external devices. Unplug all USB devices. Sometime your Windows computer won't log in, may be caused by the conflict with a USB device. You can disconnect all external devices and USB devices like mouse, keyboard, printer, digital camera, USB flash drive, external hard drive, game consoles, etc., so as to make sure that they are not to blame for preventing your PC from booting smoothly. Next, try to remove your login Windows option so that it goes directly to your Windows. Go to Settings, Accounts, Sign In option, Password, click Change, type your current password, do not set a new password, and provide your password hint. Next, click Finish and restart your computer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have questions? Comment below. See you next time.